Hi guys, welcome you all in 1 Minute's Dynamo series. Today we are going to see how to paint the multiple Revit system elements by automation. Problem statement is that when we are going to export some Revit system families in the IFC file from Revit, the color of that family is lost in IFC file, for example conduits. So we can't use it in any other softwares or BM purposes. Those who want script file subscribe and give your LinkedIn URL in comments. Solution we propose is that we are going to paint the families, but painting the families is very tedious task as we have to paint all of its surfaces. For every single wall family, we have to paint 4 surfaces, and in case there are multiple family, there are hundreds and thousands of families in a single project. So it has become very difficult to paint that families manually. So to overcome that problem, we create this script. Let us see without wasting any time we move forward to the scripts. Now in the Dynamo player, first give the node boolean and after that OK, just first take the prequest. So just install a crumple package in IronPython. OK, now just add one boolean node and after that selection node from crumple. So where you can find it, go here in the crumple, and in the application go here in the Revit, and in that you can find a selection node. This selection node return all elements currently selected by user in the active document. Okay, so to rerun the script, we added this boolean node after that the current selection node after this code block where we are going to input it and convert it into the list. Now after that, just one more thing we have to do. We have to create the paint material, color which we want to paint. So I created the same 3 type of material, blue, pink, and purple, and given their name and text to the material.byName node, which is defaultly present inside the Dynamo. How you get it? Just you want to type material.byName in this library. I'm not going to show it here. You can check it out by yourself. And after that, you are going to give it into the material code block like this, and after that you have to give it into the Python node. I given the name paint system families for IFC export. Okay, so now first of all we go how the paint is created. So just paint material is created, see this name, keep it in mind. And you just go here in the material inside Revit, and you duplicate any material. If you go here in appearance, you can give the color here in the wall paint, and in graphics you have to click use under appearance so that when it is going to export all the material in IFC file, or even if you just want to paint the material in your projects. So this script is going to come in very handy. Okay, so this is how you created, and you just copy this name from here and paste it in this Dynamo block here, code block. And how do you have to create this script? I will just show you the glimpse of this is the Revit material. This is the script material and how this script's created. Okay, just save it. Save the Dynamo script, and you have to run it. How you have to run it? Okay, let's set the true. Okay, set it into the manual mode if you don't want to rerun it. Okay, what you have to do, just now it's blue selected, so I will go in the Revit. I will select any of the wall. Select this wall. I will do SA here, and what I will do, I will just rerun the script and I will run it. The script will run, and all the selected walls or any other system family which I selected the color is converted to blue. So to give you one glimpse of it one more time, I will select this wall. This is the roof. I will do SA to the roof. Okay, see here I will selected all the 8 roofs here. And I will give it a color of purple to that. I will set it once more time. I will rerun it. Now if you go here, the purple color or paint is given to that script. Now this is a wall, and what is this? This is also a wall. I will select all these walls wherever it is present, even another family, also I can select it. Okay, now what I do, I go here, I will give it a pink color. Okay, I will set it to once more, refresh it, and I will go here and see all the colors of the walls are changed. Just edit in place model, that's why its color is not place. So that's why in edit in color model, you can directly go inside and change the material also, and for edit in place you have to go and edit first, and you have to change the element afterwards. So this how you can change any color of any system families which are directly placed inside the Revit model. So problem statement, I already told you if you are going to export it in the any IFC file, the color is lost, but now it's converted into the material. So it will retain the material, just you have to, while exporting an IFC file, you have to keep in mind that you export the material properties with it. That's all for today. Thank you once more.